Okay. Nice job, Ayoko.
Yeah.
She did very well, right?
She's very good. La 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 la. La 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 la.
Remember, we need to tell you what we're doing before we do it.
Yes.
So we're going to put the chain back on. Right.
I wouldn't be afraid.
Right. I'm going to pump this back up, and I'm going to move it away from your bed.
Get me what?
I'm going to move this away from your bed. Okay?
Oh, move it away from the bed. All right. And then?
Now we're going to, what, Ayoko? What are we going to do next?
Gonna do what?
Ayoko's going to tell you.
I'm gonna some crooked here. Can you
roll you over and put the cylinder on.
Can you get me straight?
Yeah.
All right.
Ayoko, make sure you say it loudly, because she's hard of hearing. Make sure you talk loudly.
That's this thing here. That's while you're away, right? You want her to do it while you're away.
Yes, and just in case I'm not here or the days that I don't come for therapy, Ayoko can work with you nicely.
And then I won't need you anymore.
Well, if you want me to come back, I'll always come back.
Of course I want.
But I don't want you to have me to do these things. These things I want you to be able to do yourself. And then I can come, for social time.
Oh, you'll come though?
Yes.
Oh, that's all right. As long as you come, I'll be happy.
Thank you.
And when you don't come...
You'll be... what?
Angry.
Oh.
You must come.
Ayoko, what should she do now?
You're gonna roll you over and put the sling up on.
Roll over?
Yeah. No, you're gonna roll to this way.
This way?
Yeah.
Yeah. Say
This way?
roll.
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 Yeah.
Use one word. Roll.
Yeah.
So she hears it, understands. Roll. Roll out the barrel. Okay? But we have to cross.
Yeah.
Tell her
Oh,
first.
you're cold. You're cold. Ooh, like cold hands.
So I have to tell her that you're going to cross the leg.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
I'm gonna cross your leg.
Good.
And I'm gonna roll you over.
Nice job.
Oh, honey.
What?
Too much.
What?
Too much. Oh, I love you.
A bushel in the pack?
I'm not getting you around my neck. Oh.
Okay, it's okay.
Okay.
Okay, don't get fresh.
Oh, that's better.
Okay.
Oh,
Over to me. Miss Dorian,
the hardest thing I've done.
roll over to me.
This way?
Yeah, this way.
Okay.
All right.
Doreen, I'm going to move the sling out.
Oh, all right.
Okay? And I'm also going to lift the leg up, okay?
Not too high.
Not too high, just high enough so I can get the sling.
All right.
Okay? Beautiful.
Oh, that's it.
I know, it does.
Very itchy, I mean.
It's itchy? Okay.
Very itchy. Because it rubbed against me. And it made me itchy.
Okay, I'm sorry. Let me lift this leg up here. I'm going to take this towel out.
Oh, good.
Okay. All right?
Now I'm feeling better.
You feeling better?
I'm feeling better. Oh,
Okay?
tired.
I know. You did a lot of work today.
Today?
What did you enjoy? What did you enjoy most about today?
Stopping.
Stopping. Okay. So Ayoko needs to work on telling you what to do before she does it.
Oh,
And
don't forget to tell me though.
And use main words, Ayoko, like roll, turn. Don't say too many words because then she won't hear it all.
Yeah.
So that would be a better way of getting you to do,
Getting used to it.
and getting you to do what you need to do.
Oh,
All right? So she can help you the best way. All right?
I'll try to remember.
Thank you.
We'll fight, but we'll do it.